What's it like to work in the engine room?
Yes, absolutely perfect. We've got Cat C32s. They both produce 1800 horsepower each. As you can see, very spacious, very easy access for all of it. Aircon unit. We've retrofitted water maker, which is essential if you've got a very busy boat like we do. There you've got the fuse board, very user-friendly interface, etc. Great ventilation. Yeah, wonderful.
How often has it been serviced, and do you add anything else to it every year?
Well, no, we do annual services over the engines, the generators, and the aircon. A 500-hour service of the water maker. So yeah, everything's up to date with official service dealers.
So, in the annual service, what does that include?
Well, any filters, pumps, etc., all through an authorised dealer, and they'll replace anything with authorised new certified parts.
Thank you.
Well, this is the galley. First of all, I think it's very practical, it's spacious. I've easily cooked up to 12 guests in the galley. I think everything is easy accessible. I can easily close the doors to give the guests privacy. And yeah, love cooking in the galley.
So, Pete, what is this like to drive?
The boat itself is a very easy boat to drive. It's got front and stern thrusters. It's a very powerful boat, so the propellers and combined with the thrusters make it a very easy boat to park. And on the sea she's very good, she's very fast. It does a top speed of about 28 knots. Weather conditions of course determine how fast you go, but a very good boat in the sea and very easy to handle.
Thank you. What's the furthest you've ever been with the boat, and even if you haven't been, technically what's the furthest you could go with this boat?
Well, that's quite a broad question you've asked. It depends on how fast you go due to the fuel consumption.
At cruising speed?
At cruising speed you can do about 300 miles safely. And if you go slower you can go further, but cruising speed 18 knots you can do about 300 miles.
Thank you. What is the monitoring system like on this boat?
Well, we have a Naviox which monitors all the tanks, all the safety areas, all the alarms are all monitored in one area. From a monitoring point of view, this is great because I can see how much fuel we've got, how much water, if the electricity is running well, and any alarms come straight through this one system. Our navigation systems are Marine. It's a basic system, but it's very, very accurate. And then, of course, we have video cameras all over the boat, so we can also monitor via live stream video cameras. So it's quite a good system and a good area to monitor the boat from here.